Hi, this is how the guest who made a reservation in your hotel will receive his confirmation in his Outlook inbox. Of course, now it's in the guest delight look and feel, but then it will be in the look and feel of your hotel. As you can see on the left side, there are a few buttons, like in a website, where you can push on. For instance, if you push on restaurants, then you can see there are two restaurants that we have put in, and they can make directly a reservation in the hotel through their confirmation mail of their hotel booking. Another button we have is info, where they can ask directly a question to the reception. They have also a weather forecast included, and there is also a route map. And you can see if you put in your home address, then he will give the directions. There you are. Okay. You can always return to your confirmation mail and then push another button. We also have promos where the hotel can promote some packages or an upselling for rooms or whatever they want. We go back to the confirmation mail. Then we also have local. We have put this in because it's important for guests to have some information about local specialities and local activities. We have some sub buttons, for instance, the core sports facilities in the neighborhood, some culture events that might happen while you're staying in the neighborhood. And you can also see if we go back, culture and events, sports facilities, and local specialities where you can put in shop for souvenirs. So this is all the additional information that has been included in the confirmation mail. This is the confirmation mail that has been sent within 24 hours after the guest departure in the hotel. As you see on the left side, we have the survey button, the review button, make a reservation, and stay in touch button. But also important in our system is that we have the one-click monitoring. That means that the quality is monitored and the score is reported by just one click. So we ask one question: how was your stay in the hotel? If the guest clicks on excellent, then a score of 5 points is reported, and he can also put a review on a third-party review site, like for instance we have took TripAdvisor, but that can be configured for each hotel different. When a person was not happy with his stay, when he was not satisfied about the service, then he can click on very bad. Then he comes to a special page where we, in the first part, where we ask him to tell him his concerns. He can write down his concerns, and this message is sent directly to the hotel's management. Or he can give his telephone number and then date where the hotel management will call him to discuss what happened and how, and try to find a solution. If we go quickly over the different buttons, so the first one is the survey button. The second one is the review button, where somebody can put a review. Third one is to make a reservation through the direct online reservation channel from the hotel, so there are no commissions to be paid. And the fourth one is the stay in touch button, where you can follow through social networks such as Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. So this is the content that is included in the follow-up mail. So this is the content management system to configure your own emails. You can log in with your login and password. And then you will see three parts. You have first part is the configuration, second part is the mails preview, and third part is where you can add manually a reservation. So if we see to the configuration, you will see all links where you can configure the buttons or the pages of your emails. For instance, There you are. You see the confirmation email, welcome email, and follow-up email. Which you will see here: confirmation, welcome, and follow-up. Restaurants, promo, sports, and culture are the sub buttons that you can also configure, and when you can modify the content yourself. So as we see here, the confirmation email, you will see info or promo. This text you can add yourself. If you go up here, there you are, and then you can modify the text. Same thing for the restaurants. You can add or delete 3 restaurants. You can put in the name of the restaurant, the email address where the reservation is sent to, and a link to the menu or the website of the restaurant. If we go to the follow-up mail, you can see the survey, the review, the reviews, to make a reservation, stay in touch. And if we go back, then you can see at the follow-up button to configure that you can also add yourself the link reviews, the review to your links with an image you want to choose. For instance, here we choose for TripAdvisor, but you can also take another one. You can put up to 3 links for reviews. You can one survey link that can be our standard survey mail link, or but it can also be a link to an already existing online survey platform that you're using. Then you have also the reservation link that can go directly through the hotel's online reservation channel, and you can add for social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. If you save that into the follow-up mail. Third button is to activate manually. You can type in name, confirmation number, our arrival date. We arrive today, launching date tomorrow, 1 room, and to confirm. Then you can see which mail we were going to send. This is the confirmation mail that has been sent. Now we've sent a welcoming mail, and then we can go to send the follow-up mail.